strawberries have shallow roots, so it is easy to grow them in pots, both indoors and out. You can place your strawberry plants on a balcony, patio, or indoors in front of a sunny window. This is how to grow strawberries in a pot. 1. Buy strawberry plants from your local nursery. Make sure they don't have brown leaves and that they look healthy and green. 2. Choose a potting container with drainage holes for your strawberry plants. Although you can buy special strawberry pots that have multiple openings, it is not necessary. Strawberries can grow and produce fruit in any container that has good soil and gets enough sunlight. 3. Fill your pot 2/3 full of potting mix. Your strawberry pot should have at least an 18 diameter. Even though strawberries have shallow roots, they do produce runners that need some space to extend. 4. Water the soil until the water starts to drain from the bottom of the pot. Then make 5 or 6 mounds of soil about 125.4 mm tall. Space the mounds at least 6 152.4 mm apart so the runners will have room to roam. The mounds themselves shouldn't be more than 376.2 mm wide. 5. Gently lift your strawberry plants from their nursery pots. If necessary, cut the pot with scissors if the plant is wedged in too tightly. Carefully shake off the extra soil while separating the delicate roots with your fingers. 6. Fill a bucket or other container with water. Soak the strawberry roots for an hour, so they can absorb enough to keep them hydrated. 7. Remove the plants from the soaking water and set a plant on top of each soil mound. Arrange the roots so they extend down the sides of the mounds. 8. Fill the pot with more soil, bringing the soil to the plant's crown. The stems emerge from the crown, so don't bury it under the soil. 9. Water the plants thoroughly. Use a sprinkler can so you do not erode the soil. Continue to water gently until the pot begins to drain. Add more soil if necessary. The thorough water